Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy, and welcome to another video. Spoiler alert, this video is being filmed in the man cave, which has now been completed apart from painting, and I'm currently in the process of editing the video footage which I took of this completed works. So just after Christmas I ordered a number of things from Amazon, and I wanted to do some unboxing videos just to share the contents with you. I thought they may be of interest, so why not bang out another video and just show you what I've been up to. So I'm just going to open these up then, and then we'll go through the contents one by one. Now you will see that about 2 or 3 of these packages, they are actually accessories for a cordless rotary tool which I purchased a few weeks ago, which I also did a video of. It was made by a company called Techpo, never heard of them before, but it came up on Amazon at a very good price, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. Now the actual tool itself did come with a small range of accessories, but because I want to start doing using it for an additional hobby, I wanted to expand on the accessories I had, basically just to give me more options and more materials to work with. But anyway, I'm just going to finish unboxing these, and then we can have a little chat about the stuff which I'm opening up and sharing with you as we proceed. Right guys, then, so we're away. So what we're looking at here then is a 900 milliliter titanium cooking pot by a company called Jolmo Lander. Once again, this is an Amazon purchase. So basically titanium is extremely lightweight and a lot stronger than steel. So something like this will be absolutely perfect for campers, hikers, backpackers, and the such like. Now one of the other reasons I bought this was because this has a very decent capacity, and I also like the idea of having a pot like this which had a bow handle, so you could basically hang it over a fire. Now when I go hiking or camping, I do actually take a kettle with me, but it does take up, even though it's quite small, it does take up a bit of space. So I just thought it might be a very nice idea to try and save some space by having some more pots which were able to nest together. So this caught my eye a while ago actually, and I've been waiting for it to come up on special offer. It hasn't, so I just decided to pull the trigger and buy it anyway. This bow handle then, you can see those little nodules on both sides of the handle where it secures to the pot, and that basically just sort of stops the thing wobbling around, and it provides a basic locking mechanism which does appear to work quite well. Now I also really like the handles on this. They're a nice size, and also the way they've actually been shaped and engineered means that you can really hold this thing in a nice steady manner, and clearly that's very important if you've got I don't know, a hot cup of tea or coffee in there or something like that. Anyway, so look, the actual the measurements there, they've actually been etched into the titanium, so they're not going to sort of wear off anytime soon. We've got a nice little pot here with a hook on the top. Look, this isn't a friction fit really, it just sits on top of the pot, and it seems to be a very good fit indeed. So all in all, at first blush, this appears to be a very nice item indeed. So I'm gonna use this, or at least try it in conjunction with the other canteens and stuff I've got, to try and get a nice lightweight compact cook set together, so I can save a bit of weight and save some space in my rucksack. So moving on then. Now this is a Dremel Cutting Kit, and the number for the kit, as we can see, is 688. and it has a nice selection of different cutting wheels in here. Now, I decided to go for the Dremel because it's obviously a very well-known brand name, and so I'm working the basis that hopefully the quality will also be better. These are priced very reasonably. This little set cost under 12 quid. Bought it a fortnight ago, and there were loads and loads of very favourable reviews on Amazon. So I've already bought a cordless rotary tool, Tekpo, as I've already mentioned, and there are one or two cutting discs in there, but the stuff here is much better quality, I believe, and you know, these cutting wheels are also compatible with a wide range of other rotary tools, so you know, fitting into my rotary tool shouldn't be a problem at all. And as I say, I've basically gone for the Dremel stuff on the basis that it should be much better quality. But anyway, you know, only time will tell. I need to use these things, and clearly as and when I use these products, I will share my experiences with you. I think one of the other things as well is the fact that some of the discs in here, you know, they can be used for some quite heavy cutting of metal, which I thought would be, you know, quite handy. Right, so what have we got here then? So this is something which caught my eye. Once again, it's been on my wish list on Amazon for a while now. Hasn't come down in price, so I thought I'd just take the plunge and buy it anyway. So this is basically a folding stand for gas canisters, and once again, this is ideal for campers, hikers, etc. People who take a small stove with them, basically, you know, one of the little butane canisters, and you know, this clips to the bottom of the canister, and it should keep everything nice, level and flat, and hopefully stop you spilling your noodles or coffee all over the forest floor. So I'm looking forward to using that. Now, these posi drive bits are from Milwaukee. I've had these in the past, and basically I've virtually used all of them on the build for the man cave. They're absolutely brilliant, and it's important to have good quality products like this if you're using an impact driver, because it will just chew them to bits in no time if they're not the specially hardened stuff. So basically I'm very pleased with them, and I've bought them again. So what are we looking at here then? Now, basically when I bought the rotary tool, as I say, there were a number of accessories in there, but I wanted to expand my options and increase the number of accessories I had. So basically this provides a nice little selection of router bits, basically, for a very reasonable price indeed. Now, once again, Amazon purchase for just under £8. And basically I bought these because you can use them for engraving a wide range of materials, such as wood, which will be the main thing for me really, ABS, acrylic, PVC, plastics, copper, aluminium, you know, the lighter sorts of metals. Are they any good? Well, quite frankly, I don't know. But once again, I did buy them on the back of many favourable reviews for a very reasonable price from Amazon, and basically for the price of a couple of pints of Guinness, I thought they'd be worth a try. Now, this is a nice little set. It's called a Rotary Burr set, and I bought these from Amazon for just under 10 quid. Now, again, there were loads of good reviews on Amazon about these, which is one of the things which always you know, tempts me to take the plunge and buy. Clearly, if they've only got 1 star and there's 1,000 reviews, you know it's going to be crap, and you steer clear of it. So anyway, the main reason I bought these was because not only can you use them on wood, but you can also use these to drill, grind and engrave a large variety of metals, and that appealed to me. So I've got the router bits for the wood, and I've got these sort of, you know, this burr set here, which I can do metal work as well with. So anyway, once again, I've no idea whether or not they're going to be any good. The reviews suggest they are, but basically we shall soon find out, shan't we? Right, so we're coming to the end of the video now, and we've only got one more remaining item. So this is a Dremel keyless chuck. You know, just stick that in the end of the rotary tool, and because it fits a wide range of different diameter accessories, it basically just a lot less faffing around, you know, with the collets, you know, the mandrels, and you know, the little spanner you get with it. So this is going to save a lot of time, a lot of hassle. I bought it a couple of weeks ago for less than £4 from Amazon. So this, I think we can say without any hesitation, is going to be an absolute bargain and invaluable. Anyway, look, we're going to wrap it up now. Thank you very much indeed for watching.